Hello all! Today, the True Marketing channel is going to share a tool that helps in scanning articles. I will use this software. To start, you can scan articles directly from this Facebook group. You can select the scan group option and then choose to scan the articles as per this list. Next, you can scan fan pages in a similar manner by choosing the option to scan articles on fan pages. You can scan articles from personal Facebook pages. I will also have an option to scan article lists. I will illustrate with an example of scanning articles from a group list. I will select the option to scan the list of articles. But first, I will select a group list. For instance, I want to choose the New York group. Initially, I will work with this ID from SoundChef. I will enter this into the software. I am currently setting it up for 100 articles. You can adjust it to be less or more, for instance 20. Then I will click Start. The software will begin to operate. The software's first task is to log into the Facebook account I inputted in the application. Next, it will direct itself to the Facebook group that I require for scanning. And the software will start working. It will scan my number. Here it will display the parameters showing how many I have scanned and the quality of the scans. Time 0.61. I can present several pieces of information, the first being the ID of this post. The second detail is the post format, which can be media, meaning it includes images or videos, or just a status, which is a typical post. The third detail is the time of posting, focusing on the most recent time relevant to me. The fourth item is the content of that post. I will pause here for everyone to see better. These are the items that I have scanned, and they will show everything in posts that have no content, meaning they are share type posts. It shares only one piece of content and does not include any additional content in that share. I can save the Excel file by exporting it, and then everyone can save it normally. For example, I want to save this as the file is area 1. Then I can open the file for easy content management. Here, I will notice that my content is already available. Opening the file will similarly save all my information. It will include all the details I just saw above. You can do the same for the quests and posts on the fan page, which will display parameters such as the ID. It will display nearly all the information, including likes, comments, and shares of that post. You can replicate this for your personal Facebook posts and it will show similar information. This tool helps query post lists. If you need help, please contact me. I will support you and guide you on how to use it. Thanks for watching this video completely. See you next time.